Welcome to Mishna study Masechet Terumot Perek Chait Mishna Dalet. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to talk about Gilui. Right? Gilui is something that you leave uncovered. Some of us are a little familiar with this halacha. It applies to three different types of liquids, right? As we'll see in this Mishnah, and that is water, wine, and milk. You're not allowed to leave these things uncovered. Why? Because we worry that a snake may come and actually go ahead and stick some of his venom into these liquids, and the person that drinks it could potentially harm himself, really die from drinking this. And because of the sakana of dying, Chachamim came and said they will ser sakana Chachamim that you're not allowed to drink anything that was left uncovered. So that's going to be the discussion of our Mishnah. And now let's say it was wine of Terumah. What do you do with that? Yain shel Terumah, right? So wine that was Terumah. Shnitgala became uncovered. It was revealed. Yishafech, it needs to be spilled out. Throw it away, just pour it down the drain. Then of course you don't have to say if we're being mahmir when it comes to the terumah, of course when it comes to the hulin. Now just to point out, okay, the three liquids that are asur from Gilui because of the law of Gilui, right? The three of them are mayim, water, hayayin, wine, halav is milk. Now, all these three are asur. Rambam just points out when it comes to the water, right? Interesting, right? He only points out the water specifically. It needs to be in a relaxed state, right? It can't be anything dripping. If something was dripping into it, then it wouldn't be asur mishum gilui because a snake is not going to come close to that if there's something, going ahead and dripping into it, right? So therefore, we don't worry. We wouldn't worry for the gilui. Now, kama yishu v'yehu asurim. How long does it need to be revealed for them to be asur, right? If it's revealed for a split second, is that enough? Is that considered gilui? So the Mishnah responds, right? So this rahash is either a snake or a creepy crawler or something where it comes out from a nearby place and drinks. Now they explain this, the Gemara explains this. He leaves the handle of the kli, right? He drinks, and he goes back to his place, right? So however long that takes, I don't know, several seconds, right? That's how long that's how long it is for Gilui. Now, additionally, the Talmud explains that when it comes to wine, right, or a brine, or even murayas is a fish brine, right? All these different things. Also, when it comes to crushed garlic, right? Also, all these are asur if they were migule, right? If they were revealed, uncovered, right? Because we worry that some type of poisonous animal will come and stick his venom into these items. Now, all these things that we mentioned that are asur from Gilui, we're not allowed to use them for anything. Right? You can't use them to give to your animals, to wash your hands or your feet, right? You're not allowed to use it, to even use it for, cement, right? Nothing. You're not allowed to use it for anything because that this is what the law is. And halacha really follows this Mishnah. All these liquids, these three that we mentioned, plus the additional ones that the Talmud explains, are all asur mishum gilui.